Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy. Welcome. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day today. And today I'm gonna talk to you about my idea for a great skincare gift for the Mother's Day. I just got this box today in the mail straight from Selfridges, so I guess I'm just gonna rip it open. Whew. This is so satisfying. Can this be my job, please? And I love that the products from Selfridges always comes in those dust bags. Basically all my shoes are living in those. First recommendation for Mother's Day gift would be subscription to my channel. Hello, it's free, it's amazing, and a lot of skincare, anti-aging content is in the pipeline, so I know your mother's gonna appreciate it. Of course, I'm joking. My recommendation is the Ultimate Mask Collection from Selfridges. I just saw this on Selfridges website, and one information that I saw is that it retails for £60, but the masks inside are worth over £150, so no-brainer, and it can be a gift to yourself as well. And honestly, I didn't look at what mask we're gonna have inside, so we're gonna unbox this together, and God knows how my skin is dying for a good facial. So I thought £60 for, honestly, I don't know how many masks are there, but if it's worth £150 for £60, yeah, I think the maths add up. But you know me, I'm gonna investigate, so I'm gonna open it now, go mask by mask, and on the screen you're gonna see the prices. I'm gonna Google them when I'm gonna be editing the video, and at the end of the video we will know if this is really worth over £150 or Selfridges is playing us. And you have to admit, this magnetic packaging is cute, and it looks like you can store your documents here. So I guess let's go mask by mask. And the first one is the Haruharu Wonder Mask with berries extract, and this is an anti-oxidant mask, and this is a Korean beauty mask, so I'm expecting that's gonna be cute. And on the back we can read anti-wrinkle brightening dual function cosmetic, dermatology tested. Okay, so this is cute. Price you're gonna see on the screen. Let's go for a second mask, and this one, yes please. And this is a Boost Light Salon Hydrogel Collagen Mask, and this is the best to use with your LED mask. Luckily I have one. Probably I'm gonna start with this today. And this one is for decolletage, so if you have the mask with a separate part that goes on this area, it's gonna work best. Personally, I'm happy I got this because I have the LED mask, but if you don't have LED mask, I don't know if it's gonna be as amazing as it should be. So let's dig for a third mask, and this one, ooh, pink diamond for Rodial, yes, and this is a face lifting mask. Like, hello, I need that. And Rodial is a really good brand. I have quite a few products from them, and I enjoy all of those. I love myself. Well, can't relate, but I really like the minimalistic design on the package. And this is makeup boosting mask. It's moisturizing and brightening. So obviously this is the mask that you're gonna apply before you're gonna apply makeup. So if you have any like special events, or if you just want to make your skin look bomb.com on Instagram, that's your mask. Bomb.com? Who says that? This mask comes from the brand Petite, and this is a Korean skincare. Personally, I haven't tried anything from that brand, so I'm curious to give it a go. Next mask. Oh, we are getting bougie here. It's Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Power Foil Mask. So I think we all know Estee Lauder, and this is the Advanced Night Repair is one of their best-selling skincare products, and this is the mask version of it. So let's give it a go, and let's be young forever. What next? Here we have Miracle Age Repair Cotton Mask, and again this is a Korean skincare product, and as one of the previous masks, this one is anti-wrinkle and brightening. Next one we one skin. Like, this is my favorite. I love their black series. Like, honestly, I've applied the mask from the black series on my wedding day and I look 10 years younger. True. And this one is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. I have this mask in my 111 Skin mask book, but I haven't tried this one yet. I've used only the under eye patches from this series, so another win situation. Thank you. Aroma Blend Moisturizing Mask, and again the packaging is cute, and this is another Korean skincare mask, and this one is infused with rose water and aroma oils, and it's supposed to be super moisturizing. So hello, we all need a little bit of more moisturizing, so you cannot go wrong with this one. What else we have here? Ooh, WISHFUL Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask, and this is the Huda Beauty skincare line, and this mask is infused with aloe vera, hollyhock rose, caffeine and sodium hyaluronate, and it's supposed to give you an instant hydration, softer skin, dewy glow, and have soothing effect. And again, this is the mask that I would recommend to use before you're gonna have a special night out. Well, we don't have nights out, stupid bitch. Well, when you're gonna have a special night in, or you know, Instagram photos. What else we have here? Oh, this is such a cute brand, and this is actually from Taiwan, and this is Petite Skincare Intense Rejuvenating Mask Pink Marble. I wanted to try this one, but it's quite expensive, but the packaging damn cute. Oh my god, something tiny here, so I'm assuming it's gonna be eye patches. And this is Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches. Yes, please. I want more. We have a little bit more, and this one is Erborian. Like, this is another great Korean brand. This month I'm gonna do my month favorite, and one of their products gonna be on that list, and those are Jayjun eye patches that will smooth and brighten your under eye area. Before makeup, perfect. Oh my god, we still have some products to go. This is so exciting, at least for me. And this, oh, ByTerry. So this is another good brand, and this is a Balm de Rose Hydrating Rose Mask. So as the name said, I'm assuming it's gonna be infused with rose water, and this mask will hydrate, revitalize, and add radiance to your skin. We are still going, honey, and this one, oh my god, yes, 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 I love those few steps masks. And again, Korean skincare, yes please. And this is Intense Shining Mask, a concentrate 3-step facial mask with hydration effect. So the big part of the sheet mask, which is this, is an intensive shining mask, and on top you have two smaller squares, and one is blooming essence and hydro eye gel. So this is cool. This is like the whole facial treatment. So once we're gonna be able to travel, this is gonna be great to put into your suitcase. I think this is last one, and this mask is from Origins, from Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience line, and this mask is soothing, and as you can see, you have liquid here and the actual mask is over here, and what you need to do is just fold it like this, squeeze it hard, and the liquid will go to the mask, and then you apply it. Well, it's a cute way to do your mask. And is this all? No, I've skipped one, and this is a Starskin Plumping and Hydration Biocellular Lip Mask. Okay, I'm into it, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that Starskin is a brand from Switzerland, but the technology, ingredients, core is Korean based. Oh yeah, here, Korean top innovations, but I'm still not sure if it's from Switzerland. But anyway, after winter plumping hydration lip mask, yes please. And I think that was a last one. I will double check. In Selfridges Ultimate Mask Collection, you are getting 16 masks, so it will give you 350, £4, like less than £4 per mask, so it's a good price, especially for the high-end brand. And on the screen you will see a total retail value of all those masks, so you will know if it's actually worth over £150. Okay, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and see you on the next one. Bye!